Y'all got to see this body. I mean, I'm loving it.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, I will be doing another try on haul. And I am so excited to be doing this because it's been a minute. So this is going to be a real fast try on haul. I know I always say that, but this is going to be a really fast try on haul. This is going to be another Skims haul, y'all. As you can see, I haven't opened this. None of this. So this is like a first impression first. You're going to see it all, how it fits, if it don't fit. And these are a little different. I do not remember, because I've been having this package for just a little while. I'm gonna open it. I don't actually remember what I got. Oh, okay, got the paper in here. So it said I got the outdoor basic track jacket in bone. So I guess that's like a white color. I have in the other two, I got two pair of leggings, but they're the logo leggings. They're a little different from the cotton rib leggings that I tried on in my other Skims haul. I also got the leggings in a medium. I think in my other haul, I got them in a large. And they fit, but I feel like those Skims stretch so much. I could have sized down to a medium, but I kept the large. So these are the POINTELLE logo leggings. And I got them in quartz, the color quartz and the color archer, I guess is how you say it. And I also got the pointel. I know I'm saying this wrong. Pointelli logo t-shirt in the archer color too. So yeah, I was just trying to read this off because like I said, I'm just now unboxing it right here on camera. So I want to get started. So let me go ahead and I'm going to put on, I think I'm going to put on the matching set first. So let's start. Okay, y'all. So I was pronouncing it wrong. This color I'm wearing is ochre, but it's spelled like OCHRE. It's ochre. So this is the first one. I got this in the top and bottom. Like I said, this is the POINTELLE logo leggings and t-shirt. And if you can look really close, the reason why they call it that, you can see, do you see Skims? Yeah, so the top and bottom is made just like that. But like I said, you have to look really close. It's not see-through. And let me back up and let you see what I'm looking like. Y'all, this is really cute. Hold on, let me try to adjust this so that y'all can see. Okay, so this is what it's looking like, y'all. This is really cute. Right off the back, I can tell the difference in the sizing of the leggings. The other leggings, they stretch. Don't do me wrong. They stretch a lot. But these also are not the same type of leggings. The other leggings was the cotton rib leggings. These, they are a little different. They don't have the rib on it. You do have the logo all over. You probably can't see it from a distance, but it's made just like the top. And I just tucked it in. It's a t-shirt. I just tucked the t-shirt in so that the band can show. It's still made with the lines here, just like the original cotton rib leggings. Y'all, Skims always give their body all the time. Like y'all see Kim, she always serving body, and she want us to serve body too, I guess. I really like this color. What y'all think? They are so pretty. This is cute. Like the waistband is thick. Yeah. So waistband is thick. It's cute. Y'all, they fit really good. Fit really good. And you don't have to tuck your shirt in. I just tucked it in so that you can see the top of these. And I might wear it like this Most likely I will wear it like this anyways, but. So, what y'all think about the ochre? Y'all know the tans and the nudes is in right now. And I think of this like almost like a caramel color. Really pretty. Really pretty. And you put on some gold accessories with it. Y'all, this is cute. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna jump into the next one. The next one is gonna be the track jacket. I got that in an extra large. Y'all know track jackets fit kind of tight. So hopefully, I don't know, I like my stuff tight, but I got it in an extra large, so we're gonna see how that fit. And then we have some more logo leggings in quartz. So let's see what they look like. Okay, y'all, so I'm loving this next one. I am loving this next one. So I'm wearing the outdoor basic track jacket in bone. I got this jacket in the extra large. I'm so glad I did because, well, it's stretched. You know, Skims stretch good, but this jacket is fitting me so good. I'm finna show y'all in just a minute. And I also got on the logo leggings again, but I have it, I'm wearing the color quartz in a size medium. So let me back up so y'all can see how good I look in this outfit, y'all. Hold on, let me adjust the camera because y'all got to see this body. Y'all got to see this body. I mean, I'm loving it. I'm loving the color contrast. I'm loving my shape. I'm loving the back. I'm loving the side, the front. Y'all, what y'all think about this? Let me come up close so that y'all can see the jacket. Like I said, I got it in the size extra large. And I thought it was going to be long. Y'all know I like my tops and stuff to hit right here. Show off that shape. Make me have an hourglass shape. And got the pockets on it. It's just been so good. And this is the color bone. It's not necessarily white. It's almost like a off-white. Let me see. Is the camera giving the color that it's supposed to give? But yeah, this is so cute. Y'all see how I got it open to put on my necklace. And then so the pants is more like a peachy color pants. And I didn't think it was gonna go, but y'all, this look so good together. It's looking so good. I could just see myself walking in, you know, giving just a little bit of body. And I just put on my rose gold watch with it, y'all. That just brings out the pink. These almost like pink legging or peach. Let me see if y'all can see these leggings now. They're like a peachy color. Y'all, what do y'all think about this? This is so cute to me. Like, I was worried, like, dang, I got the jacket in the extra large. I want to say this was the last one left, if I'm not mistaken. So that's why I ended up getting the extra large, and it was just a blessing in disguise because it's so cute. Y'all, do I want to go somewhere tonight? Because, like, hey, I can show up casual with this on, put on my little Yeezy foam runners, and go to a bar or something. Because, like, what do y'all think? I just love Skims. I love clothes that gives you body. I just love thickness. It's just so cute. Okay, y'all, so that's all I have. I just ordered them 4 items. That outfit I just showed you and these 2 items. And like I said, this was going to be a very fast try on haul. I hope y'all liked it. I had to hit y'all with some because y'all know, hey, I'm always trying to find what's good for the thick girls. So I will leave everything that I brought in the description. If you like what you see, go ahead and place the order and get you some of this body. But yeah, I want to say thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting me, all my new subscribers, all my original subscribers, all my viewers. Thank you for supporting your girl, and you know I'm gonna be back with some more try on hauls.